Hi there and welcome back to my channel. For this colouring video I wanted to try something a little bit different. I wanted to try an inspiration colouring video. And the inspo for this colouring video is, as you can probably tell from the sketching I'm doing over the picture on the screen, is Superman. And I'm trying to go for the classic Christopher Reeve Superman style here. I start by selecting the page in my colouring book that suits the style that I'm trying to achieve. And then using a pencil, I lightly sketch out the main features of the character I'm drawing. In this instance, we've got Superman's boots, his pants, his cape, his blue suit, and obviously his insignia on his chest. The problem you have are the black lines from the original drawing. So the way I'm trying to remove those as such in speech marks by using my white jelly roll pen. It didn't work quite as well as I'd hoped, so I'm going to try a few different options in future. But you can see the outcome that I am trying to achieve here. We need to remove as many of the black lines, the original black lines from the drawing as possible, so therefore your new drawing and your inspiration can pop off the page. A way to hide these remaining lines if they are slightly see-through, when you're finished you can then go over with a white highlighter to create highlighting lines, or you can surround it in black pen maybe. I'll see how I feel once I've completed the whole page and work out what the best way forward is. So now I'm going in with the iconic colours. So I have done his red boots, I've done his red pants, his yellow belt, his red cape, and I've done his red insignia on his chest with the S. And now I'm using this really lovely bright blue for his bodysuit. Now Christopher Reeve Superman has very sleek dark hair with a nice curl in the front of his forehead. So I'm just trying to achieve that by using this dark grey. I don't have a black unfortunately, but hopefully this grey will work. And now using the original picture, which I think was a beaver, I incorporated his tail into Superman's cape here. I am using a brown, so I'm making him a bear Superman. So I'm using this light brown to colour in his ears, his face, his hands. And then I'm just going in there with his insignia, doing the yellow and in the inside of his ears. And then colouring off his nose and his mouth. Now following the design of the original drawing, so this Super Bear is on holiday. So he has sunglasses and he has an ice cream. So I'm going to do these bright colours. The sunglasses will have a reflection in them once I've completed. I'll do that later tomorrow. Got some lovely purple sunglasses on and I'm just doing his ice cream cone there. And finishing off his ice cream with mint choc chip. I'll post the full video shortly and you can see him standing in front of the Statue of Liberty. Thank you for watching.